In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out your PayPal money all within 5 minutes. Whether you've received funds from a friend or payment for services, getting that money to your bank account is quick and straightforward. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the PayPal website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in PayPal's web address. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Carefully input your email address and password. It's always good to double check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've made sure, go ahead and click on Log In. After you've successfully logged in, look for the Pay and Get Paid section on the home page. Clicking on this will take you to your funds management section, which is the gateway to managing your money in PayPal. Here, you'll need to click on Banks and Cards. This is where all your linked financial accounts are displayed, allowing you to control where your money goes. Now, find and click on the Transfer Money option. This step initiates the process of moving your funds from PayPal to another account like your bank account. PayPal will present you with different transfer options, but for this guide, select the option that says in 1 to 4 days. This feature is usually free and is the perfect balance between speed and cost. Once you've selected your transfer method, it's time to choose the destination for your funds. Make sure your bank is already linked to your PayPal account to avoid any delays. Select your bank from the list provided and move on to the next step. At this point, you'll follow the instructions PayPal provides on the screen. These steps might involve confirming the amount you'd like to transfer or verifying some details about your bank account. Simply follow along as the instructions guide you through the process. To finish, verify all the details you've entered, ensuring everything is accurate. After confirming all is correct, complete the transfer. And there you have it. Your PayPal funds are now en route to your bank account. Remember, this process typically takes 1 to 4 business days depending on your bank, so keep an eye on your account during this time. If you've got any questions or run into issues, PayPal's customer service is there to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.